guys, Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and I'm going to salute on Scottish Terriers. Why? Because Scottish Terriers is my favorite dog breed. Let's start the salute. Scottish Terriers. Yes, these dog breeds rock. And Scottish Terriers are really cute and adorable. They're really adorable dogs. And I love the Scottish Terrier's fur. And do you know who likes this dog breed? Everybody. Everybody likes this dog breed. Yep, I love Scottish Terriers. So Scottish Terriers rule. And so does Kerry Blue Terriers. Because Kerry Blue Terriers is also my favorite dog breed. The Wiggles suck. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, show me the comments.